Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, we're drawing a cool duck wearing sunglasses. So grab your colors and let's start. Next, I draw the beak. Then, I draw a sweet pair of sunglasses. Because this duck is super stylish.
Whoa!
Now I draw the duck's head, tail, body, and wing to complete the shape. Now it's time to color. I start with the sunglasses. I use red and blue to make them pop.
Ciao, ciao.
Then I color the duck with yellow.
Ciao, ciao.
Yes!
So cute.
For the beak, I use a light maroon color to make it stand out.
Whoa!
Finally, I go over the drawing with a black marker to make everything look sharp and clean. Yay! Our cool duck with sunglasses is ready. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!